how to download and install ByBit app on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can download and install ByBit application on your Android device. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through quick and easy through this video. In order to download and install, you can either head into your Play Store directly, right? It's available on your Play Store. Simply head into your Play Store and on the search bar you want to search in for ByBit, and you can see it'll pop up here. You can tap on install and go ahead and install it. I've already installed it. If you do not get the application here, if you are unable to find it on the Play Store, the next option is you can head into your browser and head into bybit.com. Now there it shall provide you the link to the application as well, or you can use the browser to log in as well. However, if you want the application, you can head into bybit.com. Now in my case it's not available in my region, but you can head into it, and there once you're on the ByBit home page, it shall give you the option to install the application. So this is how you can download and install ByBit app on Android. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.